Step up your routing game with the Woodpeckers Freehand Guard 2.0, a brilliant safety shield that doesn't block your view. Designed for full visibility and finger protection, this guard attaches easily to your router table. The adjustable wings flex open or close to fit any bit size in seconds. Whether you're edging or shaping small pieces, this tool makes the task safer and cleaner. Made from rugged, clear polycarbonate, it's built tough but stays out of your way. No more makeshift barriers or unsafe cuts. This is the real deal. It's ideal for freehand operations that require both accuracy and confidence. Your hands stay protected while your workflow stays uninterrupted. Simple, safe, and engineered for pros. Give your routing setup the upgrade it deserves. FastCap's magnetic shim sets are a sleek little miracle for perfect spacing with zero frustration. Each shim stacks magnetically, holding tight and staying aligned while you work. Great for installing cabinets, leveling hardware, or setting precise gaps, they snap into place like a charm. No slipping, no mess, just dialed-in accuracy. Color-coded by thickness, they're super easy to identify even in a chaotic workshop. These shims are the secret to smooth installs and pro-grade results. Use them once and you'll ditch those old plastic wedges for good. Perfect for pros and weekend warriors alike. Compact in your pocket, mighty in your workflow. A small tool with game-changing impact. Tiny but mighty, the two-pocket saddle T-square from Infinity Tools is every woodworker's dream for ultra-precise markings. Its compact form makes it easy to carry, but don't let the size fool you. This tool gives you instant 90-degree and 45-degree reference lines on small stock and tight corners. The saddle design hugs the edge of your material for dead-on alignment every time. It's CNC machined for accuracy and built to last with aircraft-grade aluminum. Perfect for cabinetry, layout lines, and trim work where perfection matters. It eliminates the guesswork in marking and measuring. Ideal for fine woodworking or quick field checks. You'll wonder how you worked without it. Pocket tools just leveled up. Say goodbye to crooked holes with the Milescraft DrillBlock Plus, your compact guide for dead-straight drilling. This clever little tool clamps to your workpiece, holding your bit at perfect 90-degree angles. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, your holes stay accurate every time. Built-in V-grooves help you center on round stock easily. Rubber pads keep it from slipping and protect your material. It's portable, easy to store, and ready to work anytime, anywhere. Perfect for beginners or pros without a drill press on hand. Saves time, prevents errors, and boosts precision like magic. For fast, flawless holes, this guide delivers. Just grab, align, and drill with confidence. Clean, burr-free holes just got easier with the wolfcraft hand. Countersink 4317000 in your kit. Whether you're working on wood, plastic, or soft metals, this tool adds that final touch of precision. It fits comfortably in your hand and removes edges without chattering. The high-quality steel design means it won't wear out after a few holes. Ideal for screw heads that sit flush and clean, it transforms rough cuts into pro-level finishes. You don't need power tools, just a twist of the wrist. It's great for quick fixes, fine furniture, or finishing work. Lightweight but dependable, it earns its place in every toolbox. With this in hand, perfection is literally at your fingertips. Tame the mess. With the Dust Deputy 2.5, your ultimate sidekick for dust-free woodworking. This Cyclone separator captures over 99% of dust before it reaches your vacuum. That means no more clogged filters, no lost suction, and way fewer cleanouts. Just mount it to a bucket, connect your hose, and watch it spin debris like a tornado. Whether you're sanding, sawing, or planing, it handles the mess effortlessly. Saves your lungs and your gear from fine dust overload. Built tough for shop use, yet simple enough for any setup. Your shop stays cleaner, your tools last longer, and your workflow never stalls. It's the secret weapon behind pro-level dust control. Lock down your workpieces with precision using the Infinity Tools Magswitch Universal Featherboard. This magnetic marvel clings to cast iron tables in a snap. No slots or clamps required. With a simple twist, you get rock-solid hold right where you need it. It's fully adjustable, perfect for router tables, bandsaws, or table saws. The dual flexible feathers apply consistent pressure, keeping your cuts clean and chatter-free. It reduces kickback and boosts safety all in one slick motion. Whether ripping, routing, or resawing, this featherboard keeps your hands at a safe distance. Compact yet powerful, it transforms how you work. Perfect for pros who demand control. Magnetic precision just became your best friend. Meet the SF Pro from Woodpeckers, a router fence so refined it feels like precision engineering in motion. This beast is built from aircraft-grade aluminum for rock-solid rigidity. With micro-adjust knobs, zero play tracking, and a deep range of adjustability, every cut becomes laser-accurate. Whether edge routing or doing joinery work, this fence aligns and locks like a dream. It supports tall stock and integrates seamlessly with dust collection. Custom setups are easy with included stops, hold-downs, and featherboards. Smooth sliding and ultra-stable, it turns your router table into a production machine. Ideal for serious makers who want fine control. Take your routing game into the pro leagues with this fence. The Milescraft BenchLock is a powerhouse clamping solution that brings vice-like hold to any bench. It installs easily into a 3/4 dog hole and anchors your project with a quick flip of the cam. Whether sanding, routing, or assembling, it grips your material tight and flat. Perfect for panel glue-ups, drawer builds, or even routing edges. The low-profile design stays out of the way while you work. Built to handle pressure without slipping, it's ideal for both small shops and mobile setups. No more chasing sliding pieces or fumbling with C-clamps. Quick to install, faster to release, and reliable through every task. BenchLock brings industrial hold to your home shop. The Piece Chisel Set is a cut above, crafted for clean strikes and precise carving from start to finish. With blades ranging from 16mm to 38mm, you're ready for fine joints or bulk material removal. Forged from chrome vanadium steel, they hold an edge longer and sharpen beautifully. The ergonomic handles absorb vibration and give you total control with every tap. Ideal for mortising, paring, or cleanup work, they deliver consistent performance across the board. Whether you're fine-tuning a tenon or carving deep dados, they're razor-sharp and workshop tough. Each chisel feels balanced and ready for action. Durable, dependable, and built to last. Your hands will thank you every time they strike. Get your angles right the first time with the Lytool miter saw Protractor, your shortcut to perfect miters. It reads internal and external corners instantly. No math, no mistakes. Just press it into place, read the angle, and transfer the exact cut to your saw. No more test cuts or wasted trim. Its solid aluminum body withstands job site abuse while staying light in the hand. The engraved markings won't fade, even after years of use. Great for crown molding, baseboards, and finish carpentry. Whether you're framing or finishing, this tool brings confidence and speed. Spend less time guessing and more time cutting. Smart angles made simple. The Festool MFT3 isn't just a workbench, it's a full-blown precision platform built for serious creators. With a perforated surface and an integrated guide rail system, your cuts, clamps, and setups are dialed in perfectly. It works as a sawing station, assembly bench, routing center, you name it. Built rugged yet lightweight, it folds up for easy storage or transport. The non-slip feet and robust legs keep it solid under heavy loads. Add clamps, dogs, or jigs, and turn this into your dream workstation. Whether on-site or in-shop, it adapts to your workflow. Precision meets portability in the smartest table around. Once you use it, there's no going back. Need a bench that travels as hard as you work? Meet the Stanley Folding Workbench. Sturdy, portable, and ready in seconds. Built to support over 1,000 pounds, it handles serious jobs without breaking a sweat. The quick fold legs snap open with ease, and the tabletop features integrated clamps and tool slots. Whether you're sawing, drilling, or assembling, it gives you a stable surface anywhere. It's lightweight enough to carry yet solid enough to anchor heavy-duty tasks. ideal for mobile contractors or garage warriors. When space is tight and time is short, this bench delivers big. Fold, carry, and conquer your next build with confidence. Wolfcraft's Universal Wedges are the unsung heroes of perfect installations and precision leveling. These tough little spacers are ideal for shimming windows, doors, cabinets, you name it. Stackable and interlocking, they hold their position even under load. The textured surface keeps them from slipping, giving you rock-solid support where you need it. Each wedge features metric markings for quick reference and consistent sizing. Whether you're aligning frames or evening out tile, they're essential for clean finishes. Toss a handful in your belt and be ready for anything. Lightweight, reusable, and incredibly versatile. Sometimes the smallest tool makes the biggest difference. Building drawers just got foolproof thanks to the Milescraft Drawer Jig, a layout guide that nails perfect spacing every time. This jig sets your slide positions with precision, top to bottom, front to back. The clamps hold steady, freeing up both hands for installation. Whether it's side mount or under mount slides, alignment is quick and dead on. The sliding components adjust to any cabinet size with ease. No more crooked drawers or endless measuring. Even if you're a first-timer, this tool guides you to pro results. Fast, accurate, and frustration-free drawer installs. For kitchen builds or cabinet upgrades, it's a game changer. Restore your blades and bits to factory-fresh sharpness with the MICROJIG BLADECLEAN system. This all-in-one cleaner scrubs off pitch, resin, and grime in seconds. No soaking, no hassle. The rotating brush and non-slip base make cleaning fast, safe, and efficient. Compatible with table saw blades, router bits, and dado stacks, it keeps your tools cutting like new. Just drop in your blade, rotate it through the bristles, and watch the gunk disappear. Built with industrial-grade materials for long-lasting use, the compact design stores easily but works like a champ. Forget harsh chemicals and messy cleanup. Clean tools mean cleaner cuts, and this system makes it effortless. Sharpening cabinet scrapers just got 3 times easier with Rockler's 3-in-1 tool that guides your edge perfectly. Whether you're rolling a burr, flattening the face, or squaring the edge, this tool locks in the ideal angles. Its built-in roller glides smoothly over your bench, making sharpening consistent and controlled. Great for anyone who's tired of trial and error with files. The durable construction and knurled grips give you precision in hand. Compatible with most standard scrapers, it's a must-have for anyone working in fine finish carpentry. Makes your scrapers cut cleaner and last longer. Restore that perfect hook in minutes. A sharp scraper is a happy scraper, and this tool makes sure of it. Trim Buddy is your secret weapon for perfect finish carpentry and flawless trim installs. This multi-tool features spacers, reveals, scribes, and angle finders all in one compact design. Say goodbye to tape measures and guesswork. Just place and mark. Whether you're casing doors, setting reveals, or trimming windows, this tool saves serious time. It's CNC machined for accuracy and built to last on the job site. Ideal for baseboard work, crown installs, and tight corners. Its magnetic face holds nails or screws for quick access while working. Professional finish results with a tool that fits in your pouch. It's like having a trim carpenter's cheat code. Cut smarter, fit tighter, and finish cleaner. Speed through deck builds with Trex's Universal Fastener tool, designed for flawless hidden fastener installs. It aligns your boards and drives fasteners with one hand, cutting install time in half. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue while keeping your spacing perfect. Whether you're working with grooved composite or PVC boards, this tool keeps every plank tight and clean. No more fumbling with spacers and screws. It's all streamlined. Built rugged for outdoor work, it'll last season after season. Great for pros who build decks all day, or DIYers aiming for a clean, screw-free look. Let your deck surface shine without visible hardware. This tool makes hidden strength simple. Take your joinery to the next level with the Woodworker 2-in-1 pocket hole jig. An all-metal beast made for clean, strong connections. It drills pocket holes at just the right angle, every time. With hardened steel bushings and adjustable stops, this jig delivers pro-level results on any material. Whether you're building cabinets, tables, or frames, your joints will be tight and flawless. The aluminum body offers strength without the bulk, and it fits easily into any toolbox. Quick clamping and setup get you drilling in seconds. Use it flat on the bench or clamp it vertical. Your choice. This kit makes pocket joinery fast, accurate, and incredibly satisfying. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.